Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some tech for you. I've been out today and I've got a couple of items, one of which is just come out today, being the 27th of August. So this is just going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to show you how everything works, things like that. It'll just be a case of showing you what you get in the box, how the box looks and stuff like that. So I'll do another video in future when I've had a hands-on with the products. If that's what you want, just leave a comment in the video, and I'll try and see what I can do for you. So without further ado, here goes. Here's the first item. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you don't know what the Fold phones are, they are Samsung's show-off phones, if that makes sense. And basically this is the third iteration of that. I had the second one, and this is now the third one, and they just keep getting better and better each time. So I'll take the box off if I can get it open. There we go. So the box itself is very, very thin. As you can see, it's not like your traditional mobile phones, where they've got like a bigger box. So it's just bear that in mind. As you can see straight away in the box, you've got this massive screen. It's almost like half of a tablet, which is basically what it is. But if I remove the phone, I'll take the phone out. In the box, you get obviously, don't even get a plug. How nice of Samsung. A phone that costs over £1,000 and they don't give you a plug. So anyway, that's the only rant I've got about this. So here's the phone itself. Obviously it's still in its packaging. There's the back. I've gone for the black one. Just looks a lot nicer to me. They got the 3 cameras on the back. If I do take it off its packaging, like so. I have got a case ordered for this, but it hasn't come yet, so I'm just going to have to be very, very careful while I unbox this, if possible. There we go. So there it is in all its glory, shiny. The screens on these are very different to your average screen, so you need to bear that in mind. So what you have is a middle screen. It does bend, and it's ever so... When you first do it, it's cringy because you think, oh my God, feels like I'm literally breaking glass, but it's a special type of glass that's on the front, in the middle, sorry. And basically it's able to bend quite a lot of times, to be fair. I've never had any issues. Like I say, with the last one I had, there was no problems with it bending and, you know, things like that. It does have a crease line in the middle, as you can see. Bear with. It does have a crease line in the middle. But when the phone's on, you can't even see that line. Honestly, you really can't. And now the camera is also built into the screen itself. Whereas usually you get a little punch hole, whereas now you can actually see the screen behind it. It's really weird how they've done it. So it's like the camera's hidden behind the screen kind of thing. But when it's off, you can still see the hole, obviously. So anyway, this is the phone. That's the side. Good thing about this now is you can use the S Pen with it now, if you've got an S Pen. And this is a full screen on the front, which is solid glass. Also, another good thing about this phone now is it's waterproof. The previous one that I had, I was very, very concerned about dropping it, obviously with water and stuff like that. It was quite scary, especially when you're holding a device so expensive. Last thing you want is to drop it in the water, because they won't cover you for that. But at least now it's been rated for water. So I'll just pop that over there and we'll get to the next item on the list. So yeah, that is the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. I also opted for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. This is the latest watch. So again, in the box it comes with a watch, because at the minute I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Apple Watch. I don't know, I keep coming backwards and forwards between the brands, and when it comes to the watches, I'm sorry, but Samsung win all day long. They have the best watches. The fact that I could put a Mario screen on it, or a picture of anything on the front screen, really, and they're always animated as well. Whereas Apple are a bit behind, they're a bit bland with choices for your actual screens, because you change it all. So you can have whatever you want. I will be getting another strap. This is the 46mm one, so it's the biggest one that you can get. Not really much to show. You have got the front does twist, so that's how you select things. You've got buttons. It is a touch screen as well, so you do have that. And then obviously you've got all your, can I zoom in? Your heartbeat reader, blood pressure and things like that on the back. And obviously in that one you do get a wireless charging that it does sit on. So not really much to show with that in regards. Obviously I could do another video when the whole thing's set up with that'll go with the phone. Just put that over there now. And then lastly, I got this. The reason I got this is at the time they were quite expensive when I first wanted one. I didn't really want to do it, but now they started to drop in price. Get the box off. This is the Tab S7 Plus, so it's the quite the big model. As again, looks brand new. You do get an S Pen. Oh, you get an actual charger with this. Well done, Samsung. So yeah, obviously it's a very thin. It's their best tablet at the minute. It's the best one they do for now. Obviously with price dropping now, I'm reckoning that they've got a new one on the way. But I'm happy with this. There's plenty of power in it. I'll just open it. So you open it with this flap. I should have really done this before the video, but oh well, I'm sure then you can see how you open the thing. It's all part of the unboxing, guys, all part of the unboxing. Bear with again. So you pull this, and then there it is. It's a huge tablet, as I say. It's fairly big, and it is super thin. Like, it's thinner than my finger. Just show you the other side. Cover up the IMEI. That block there is basically where the pen sits, and it will also charge the pen there. So if the pen needs charging, so what you do is it's magnetic, as you can see. It literally slots onto that, and then you use it. It has got a button on the pen. You can see that. And obviously there's the stylus end of it. It's quite a cool looking pen, to be fair. And let's turn that over. So here's the front. It is in like a bluish black color. It's weird, but I love it again. So yeah, guys, just thought I'd show you a quick look at these items. As I say, I just thought I'd do that. But yeah, I'm really happy to get tucked in and get it all set up. And obviously leave a comment or a like if you want to see how they are when they're running, what kind of, I don't know, if you want some information on whether it does a certain thing, anything like that, just pop me a comment in the bottom below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified for more videos. Always doing new stuff, got other cars coming. I promise there is other stuff coming. It's slow at the minute, obviously, but hopefully we can get stuff sorted. So any subscribers and things like that, it really does help the channel. So I really do appreciate that. But apart from that, have an amazing weekend. I do have something coming after the weekend. I've got a big trip planned this weekend, so there's a load of cars that I can show you on that as well. So stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone. Goodbye.